Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important for all of you because there are so many updates from two of the top MNCs, TCS and Capgemini. So there are some of the mails that is got by so many candidates. Over 40,000 plus vacancies available in TCS and other top corporates. Update your profile to get a job. And I heard that some of the candidates say like the Capgemini network engineer profile is not for 2022 batch, and so many candidates ask this queries. So I show with all the proofs that it is for the 2022 batch or not, because some of the social media platforms say like this is not for a 2022 batch. So I am showing you all of the proof. And what is the cutoff criteria for interview call when Capgemini again hired 2022 batch for analyst role? All of the important point is discussed in today's video. So let's start. One of the most important points, so many videos on our channel that is related to important update as well as the freshers off campus hiring must apply for this opportunity. I suggest you, if you give the TCS NQT examination already in any of the examination, so I suggest you to please check this video, okay? Because in this video I explain with all of the important point like what is the cutoff criteria for the percentage with the scorecard. Okay, so this is one of the good video for all of you. And as you can see on my screen that so many candidates just ask so many queries in the comment section that is related to cognitive section as well as the IT programming section. So this video is related. So this type of mail is got by candidate like over 40,000 plus vacancies available in TCS and other top corporates. Update your profile to get a job. So you have to just click on this, and like there is a profile strength. This is my profile, Lokesh Bagora. As you can see on my screen that dear Lokesh Bagora, email ID is this. So the profile strength is low, like 32% is completely profile. So congratulations, you have successfully registered on the portal. You can now proceed with exploring job. So before proceed with exploring job, there are so many details you have to mention like your resume, your project, certification, national qualifier, test score, and language. All about that, what is the cognitive section, and verbal ability, reasoning ability. Okay, so this is all about that. What is the videos, work experience, profile summary. So you have to complete your profile up to 100%, and then you have to just click on jobs section. And if you give the TCS NQT or Ninja examination, if you are from 2023 batch also, 2022 batch also, there are so many job opportunities that is related to intern role as well as the full-time opportunities. So you can select according to your convenience. And what is the employment type? When we just click on internship, so there is a intern referral recruitment for the Quest Global intern, and they just mention there is a skills. What they not mention any of the, they just mention that what is the basic qualification here. And you can just search the job that is related to intern as well as the full-time opportunity. You can just check the skill set and the salary of annual salary here. Okay, so this is the process for completing jobs. And when you applying for the TCS NQT job, and if your 10th 12th, like if your 10th 12th details is not updated, so you have to just go to my account section, and you need to add your 10th 12th marks to this profile section. So it will be update on that. Otherwise you can't apply for that opportunity because they want particular criteria. Okay, and you can also select your preferred job location. So this is all about the TCS. I suggest you to just check this video. This is very helpful for all of you because I explain all of the important point using the scorecard. Okay, so the next update is from Capgemini, and when Capgemini again hire for 2022 batch. Before going on to this of the point, let's talk about the network engineer profile. They just mention that in the education section if you are a fresher, but they also mention that please note candidate should be ready to sign service agreement and term will be shared during hiring process. And what is the qualification? Undergraduate, BE, BTech, any specialization, postgraduate, MCA, any specialization. And what they mention here, like the salary is 4 LPA and stipend is 18k, and they mention that graduation, post graduation in 2022. Okay, so 2022 batch is officially eligible in this hiring, and they mention that here please note that qualification is undergraduate, so 2022 batch is undergraduate now, and in the form itself there is a section of 2022 batch. So this is the survey link, you have to apply for this opportunity. So when Capgemini again hire 2022 batch for analyst role, it will be totally depend on them, but in the upcoming month surely they will hire again the freshers batches. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.